A 20-year-old girl faces a Superior Court judge to make a decision that would put her behind bars for only a year in the death of a Shafornik man on Easter Sunday last year. Whitney Miller was at the hearing today and has the latest tonight. Whitney.
Thanks, Megan. It was an emotional day in the courtroom when the judge questioned the plea bargain on the table for hit-and-run driver Ashley Bashore. Both the state and defendant now have to go back to the drawing board.
I'm sorry for everything.
Ashley Bashore's only statement at her hearing today before Superior Court Judge Jack Smith rejected her plea agreement of 1 year behind bars.
You know, my heart goes out to my client in that regard and to the family, because I heard Hubert's mother crying in there. She wanted it over today too, but again, we'll just take it back up next week.
According to court documents, Bashore allegedly sent text messages Easter Sunday 2011 before striking and killing Hubert Tunachuk near the Seward Highway overpass. If the judge would have actually accepted Bashore's deal, she would have served 1 year in prison, 6 years probation, and she would have been banned from using a cell phone like this that's capable of texting. However, the judge didn't think that was enough.
We're sentencing someone who has caused the death of another can never restore the victim's family. I think both counsel noted that. Everybody understands that. But it still remains that somebody died and somebody didn't stop after hitting them. I have a problem with that.
And he's not the only one finding issue with this plea. The Forget-Me-Not mission testified against the bargain and were pleased with the outcome.
The judge did the right thing. He didn't think that plea bargain, that sentence was strong enough, and he's going to act on it, and we are very pleased about that. I don't think that the argument that she was so young and they should just let her off with 1 year, I don't think that's valid. She did not take responsibility.
The judge expressed remorse to the family for not being able to finalize the case today, but says his goal is to seek justice, even if that means prolonging the case. The next scheduled hearing is for November 7th. Megan.
Thank you, Whitney. That's Whitney Miller reporting.